medical clinical trainer, and it has AI, it has VFDC body shape, I-18D body shape, AI web, AI I-18, I-18D web, and I pay so you can pay for streaming and all that. It has speech, touch, sight, hear, and smell. You type your modular code as a student here and type the modular code of your puppy doll. You know your puppy doll, your plastic puppy doll that you definitely use. Then you can stream your iPuppy doll. So when it appears here, when you enable all these buttons here, you can do surgery cut. You can cut. It will appear when it will appear here. When you cut it here, it will appear on the it will appear on the doll, the iPuppy doll. And then you have surgery sewing. You can sew it with a pin actually, a needle actually. If you do it like this, it will sew. If you do it like this, it will sew. If you do it like this, it will sew. Zigzag sewing like this, it will sew like this. If you do it like this, elongated sewing like this, and if you do it tack sewing like this to make it permanent, you can sew surgery like that. And it has palpation. You can, when you click palpation of the doll, you can palpate and see the kind of sickness and diagnosis, diagnostic and all that. And it has popping model. You can take the popping model doll. Remember, different humans. The puppies are not dogs; they are humans. So you can take the different kinds of humans that are puppy dolls. They are plastic humans, and then you can puppet them. You see the different, the beautiful women, men, and all that. And then you have something out there, the CPR, so you can actually press them and if they need help, and then you'll be able to do experiments about that and learn about that. And then blood intake and infusion, you can take a catheter and then infuse blood in and take blood out and all that, and then more actually. So you have education, you have tests, you have examinations, you have grades, and you can zoom. You have I-18D, you have I-18D, you have I-80 templates, and then you have sewing, you have cut, you have edit, yeah, that's cut. You have sewing and CPR and palpating. I have the motherboard, DRAM, you have the WLAN cloud, iCreate and live, iPerception pathway streaming, iTutor and iExaminer. You have the iPerception buttons, and the buttons are actually to regulate your palpations and so many other things. We have the door here, so you can get into the school in case the school has a premises, a presence. Definitely you can go into the school, type your ID, you can transfer, and somebody can watch the school out here. And then you have hospital virtual clinical internship. So if you're a graduate, you can have internships definitely. And then you can have I-18D webs and all that. You can have webs and all that, iMEDICALs and all that. You can have iDoctors and iNurses and iPharmacy, paramedics and medbooks, iLabs and lab life. You can have all this. You can have iPerception, DTI, chat, call, and then you can have email, SMS and live, the chat, and it's all beautiful. Universities, medical colleges, online universities, and then you can have so many things out here like Summit School, my browser. You have templates there, you have Summit lessons, student lessons, school lessons, profiles, and grades there. You have stream live. Once you click this, you can stream live. so the school can also use it to streamline and teach. So this is called your iMEDICAL clinical trainer, created by ALIYO MOMOT. Beautiful. So you need license as a student, and you need license as a tutor, and license as a school. Not for everybody, only for schools. Yeah. And once you're using it, you have to pay. It's streaming. Yeah. Beautiful. You have to get a school organized first, a medical school, and a license. You understand? It's beautiful. Good. Really beautiful, because you have to do that. You have to do that. You have to take a license, and the license is real. Without a license, you can be a medical doctor. Without a license, you can open a school. Without a license, you can have a surgical operation. So all you, get your hands on it. Get your hands on it and do something real, like going to a medical school. You can have online school and take this, and if the online school they have this, you can go through this and you'll be a medical doctor. Seek your license and be a free man. Bye bye. Love you all. It's a Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT. Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT, your man. Professor Dr. ALIYO MOMOT. Bye bye.